Stains on your countertops, stains on your stove top, it all adds up to a really icky, drab looking kitchen, bathroom, whatever. I got the solution for you. My name is Tony and welcome to Easy Everyday Solutions, solutions and life hacks to make your life that much easier. Discoloration, stains, whatever, on your countertops and on your stovetops look awful, and they make your kitchen look like you are the worst cleaner in the world, and you don't want to look like that. Here's what you do. You grab yourself a spray bottle first, fill it with distilled white vinegar. I use about that much to about that much water. Grab yourself some baking soda and a scrubby pad. Spray down the stain really well with your vinegar water solution and then pour some baking soda on it. You'll actually see it starting to bubble and starting to work. I have no idea what I got on this counter, some red splotch. I don't know. After it bubbles for a couple seconds, go ahead and just start scrubbing that with a scrubby pad. Sometimes you may have to use a second dose if it's a really hard stain, but this is going to take the stain right out. See that? Check that out. And it also works on stovetops. See that little yellow grody thing around my burner there? I don't know. Just add the solution, add the baking soda, let it bubble for a couple seconds, and then just scrub the heck out of it. And it's all white and purdy again. You don't want your kitchen or your bathroom looking like that. So there you go, gang. Another easy, everyday solution. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.